Hi friend, Marian here of Potentials.com, signing at our channel. So, let's start today with the daily Maxwell Daily Rater. So, ano ba yung lesson natin for today? The law of influence. So yan, parating sinasabi ni John Maxwell that leadership is influence. So, the true measure of leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. True leadership cannot be awarded, appointed, or assigned. It only comes from influence that cannot be mandated. It must be earned. So friend, what does it mean? No? Sabi nga, pagka daw tayo ay leader, we should have followers. Kasi kung wala tayong followers, how can we be called a leader? Kasi no one's following us, no one's listening to our instructions. So siguro we have the position, but if no one is following us, hindi daw tayo leader. So sabi niya nga, ano ba yung proof of leadership is found to the followers. So ano ba yun? What do some people emerges leaders? Why pala? Why? Do some emerges leaders? So ano ba yung hinahanap sa qualities of a leader? Number one is character. Who they are. So it's the number one. We discuss about character is everything, di ba? So relationship, who they know. So does it means mga ano ba yan, network natin. Number 3 is knowledge. What they know. So ako, this is one of the important things that we have to possess. If we are a leader in a certain department, dapat may knowledge tayo dito sa department we are leading, or else if we do not understand how our department or our area or workstation functions, so how can we give them instruction, specific instruction on that area. So kung wala tayong present skills doon, so let's study, pag-aralan natin yung system, process of our department or of our company. Intuition, what they feel. So ano ba intuition? It's an inward feelings that parang that urges us to do certain things. Experience, where they've been. So yung different workstations that we are entrusted. So it will help also us to lead our people. Kasi syempre, we know what's been done, ano ba yung process, how to manage people, how to go about project development, strategic planning. So, past successes, where they've been. So yung mga companies that we encounter or we've worked with, ability, what they can do. So, itong 7 qualities ba yan or criteria are things that are needed on us. So, hindi lang tayo na-appoint or nabigyan ng position, then we are called the leader. So, sabi nga, there's this proverbs, leadership proverbs, he who thinks he leads but has no followers is only taking a walk. So, it might sound funny, but diba, kung ano nga, no one is following us, how can we be called a leader? So, sabi na, and if people won't follow, you are not a leader. So, yun yung ating challenge as a leader in our company, in our ministry, in our home, even in our home. So, yun yung mga things that we have to work on. Character, relationship, knowledge, intuition, experience, past success, and ability that we have to work on in order to be an effective leader in our own work environment